How to add signature in PDF in iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a signature in PDF in iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open the PDF in which you wish to add your signature. So I have received this PDF as an attachment in email and I have opened that. And once you do so, you'll be able to see this pencil icon here at the bottom. Simply click on that and then manually you can simply click on any of these pencils and just do a signature. But iPhone has a built-in feature that you can simply click on this plus over here and then you can click on add signature. Once you do so, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. And then you're going to simply, just do your signature. And then if you did some mistake and you want to do your signature again, simply click on clear and do it again. Once done, you can head over, click on done here at the top right. And then you'll be able to see your signature here like this. So first of all, the signature would be in the center of the screen. So you can simply drag it like this in order to make it big. And you can simply drag it to the respective place you want. Now you can see that I have successfully added the signature. Now after this, you're going to head over, click on done over here. And once you do so, there will be 4 options. One is reply to this respective person who sent you the email. Or you want to send this PDF as a new message to someone. Or you want to save it as files, or you want to discard the changes. So if you wish to reply to the same person, you can simply click on reply, and that's it. That's basically how you can add signature in PDF and iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.